Let's see how to install our Bulko vacuum liner to ship dry cargo in a fully sealed and airtight environment. Before starting the installation, make sure the container is clean and free of any materials that could puncture the product. Now, unfold the Bulko vacuum liner inside the container. Very important, make sure the opening is facing the container doors and the straps are facing the container ceiling. Tie the rope to the hook at the end of the container. Pass the rope through the Bulko vacuum liner straps and the container hooks until you reach the container doors. Tie the rope to the hook next to the container door. Repeat this process on the other side of the container. Roll up the Bulko vacuum liner opening and use the elastic straps to secure it to the hooks above the container door. And place a layer of cardboard on the Bulko vacuum liner floor. Now you can start loading your cargo inside the container.
Very important. If you are using desiccant's bag, contact our cargo care experts to learn more about V-Dry bag desiccants and get recommendations on the right quantity.
Now you can finish loading your container. Remove the elastics from above the container door. Unroll the Bulko vacuum liner from the container door. Untie the ropes from the hooks next to the container door. Seal the Bulko vacuum liner opening with double-sided tape. Very important, when sealing the opening, leave a space to insert the vacuum machine. Now extract the air from the cargo area using the vacuum machine. Once the vacuum process is complete, finish sealing the Bulko vacuum liner. Also, if you need to add a gas such as carbon dioxide, you can do so through the valve. To finish, fold the Bulko vacuum liner and secure it with the Bulko label. That's it. Close the doors and your cargo is ready to be shipped.